the one thing that I've talked about it's almost tough to say we have a manufacturing group in Connecticut or manufacturing ecosystem in Connecticut. There's so many layers to that manufacturing. Has that surprised you, that diversity, that subsector, commercial products, car batteries, medical devices, aerospace, defense, all the ones we know, but so many other nuggets. Has that surprised you over the 100 episodes?
It has surprised me a little bit. There was, being in the ecosystem for, many years, I think I had some sense. But, when we first started the podcast, we would say, when people came on, we'd say, hey, listen, they would say, well, what can I do to help you? What can I do for you? And what we would always say is, can you just give me 2 names? Mm-hmm. And you ask everyone to give you 2 names. Those people come on, they give you 2 names, right? And it's sort of the 6 degrees of Kevin Bacon or whatever. Pretty soon, you get pretty far down the road. And we would have people on that invented products, like Zendex Tool comes to mind as one of the early guests, sort of this classic garage invented product just from the need of an auto body shop that, kind of took on a life of its own and now is a multi-generational manufacturing business here in Connecticut that's embraced robots and just done some really cool stuff. And it's just, it's been really great. So I think in some senses it didn't surprise me because I knew, but in other senses it totally surprised me because it was way deeper and way more diverse than even I knew about.